Hi all, welcome back to my channel Neju's Passion for It's me, Nejima. Today I came up with another session of interview that is nothing but tell me about yourself or else self-introduction. Now there is so many people, especially freshers, those who are struggling how to crack the interview. Interview is the important factor, not only the freshers but also so many people are facing nowadays. Okay, today I explain you about the simplest method how to crack the self-introduction. The lack of noses is an important factor. We can say that those who can't able to attend the interview or to crack the interview at least expect our eye contact as well as confidential part from our end. So tell me about your that is the main issue that are faced by the people, the tech freshers and also nerds and all you need to develop your confidence and all. So that is the interview, that's how well your interview that decides the interviewer to that will listen the rest of the interviews and all. At the end of the day, you have to establish your confidence level and all. Before entering the topic, those who aren't subscribed, just visit my channel Neju's Passion for. Click the subscription, hit the bell icon for more knowledge as well as informative related videos. The important part that the interviewer expect from our end, such as why we hire you, what is the need, why we hire you, why are you applying for this job, what is the intention, or are you fit for this job. These three part, the most and that is important part that are what that the interviewer expect from our end. The important steps you should follow, that is during the time, that's before the self-introduction, you should know about these things and all. Greetings, the first part of the self-introduction is greeting. If it is morning session up to 12 o'clock, you can start with good morning. After that's 12 to 4, you can add good after, that is in greeting section you can greet, that is good afternoon. And after 4 o'clock you can that start with good evening and all. This is the greeting section. Followed by, you can say like thank you for giving the opportunity, that is the second section and all. And in third section, what we can say that third section is nothing but we can add, that is our name in the sense we can start with I am what is your name, Sonia, Mohan, Varun, whatever maybe. Or else instead of I am, you can use like my name is what's your name, you can add over there. So you can start with greeting, then followed by thank you for giving the opportunity, and third you can start with your name, followed by what are the other things. If you are an experienced person, in case of freshers, or else experienced person, in case of experienced person, you can explain about years of experience, how many years of experience you have, what are the impacts you have made in your job, and what are the changes you made in you implemented in your job, or else what are the goals you have, or what are the achievements you made from your job. These all sections you can add over here. Okay, in case of freshers, don't worry about that. You don't have experience. How can we overcome? Because you don't have experience, you're a fresher, so how can we compensate this one? You can add the qualification. Experienced people also can add the qualification part, and rather than the experience, the freshers can include your project done, what all the courses, what all the skills, what all the programs, or what all the extra things you have learned, and what are the projects you have done. These all things you can include over here in case of fresher. And followed by, you can add your strength, your hobbies, and last section you can include your family details. Family details, it's not obligatory, but it's good if you are added and all. So these are the concise part of the self-introduction. These are the important things you should be included in your self-introduction. I will give the concise thing of the self-introduction for fresher first. In case of freshers, how can we start? It depends upon the time. You can greet and all. If it is morning, you can start with good morning. First of all, thank you very much for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Tarun. I'm basically from Kerala. I am hardworking engineering graduate specialized in IT with an overall CGPA. What's your CGPA? You can add over there. You aggregate your score. With my degree, I have completed Java, SQL, PHP, .NET courses on Coursera. So these are the languages. He's an engineer, so that is the languages. Apart from this engineering section, what all the degrees you have done, what all the things you have learned, you can add over there. So because of that, he has supported that these all courses, that it has supported me develop my final projects. And during that time, I was the team leader. My father is a businessman and my mother is a housewife. I have a brother and two sisters. I like reading books, traveling, spending time with my friends. This part what we can say that this is the hobby section and all. My strengths are I'm self-motivated and hardworking person. That's all about me. Thank you. So this I explained over here based on the fresher person. He doesn't have or she doesn't have what experience and all. So these are the important factors which we can add in the introduction part which will impress the interviewer. So we have to get rid of all the tensions. We should maintain our confident level at the end of the day. Before prior to the interview, we have to establish, we have to we have to develop our confident level and all. Whatever that is, self introduction will decide to we can able to attract the interviewer, and also we have to develop that much of confidential level during the time of interview and all. So this is very simple actually. In case of experienced person, how can we able to concisely say about the self introduction? Depends upon the time. We can start with, if it is morning, we can start with good morning ma'am or else sir. First of all, I would like to thank you for shortlisting me for the interview. I'm Nijma. I'm basically from Kerala. My highest degree is MPA in HR also. I have specialized in electronics and communication engineering. Apart from that, I accomplished certain diploma courses like hardware and networking, DZA, .NET, CCPP, etc. And along with that, what all the other things we can add? We can add our experiences and all. What all the experience you have, you can amalgamate over here. And I will include my experience. What all the experience? I am an innovative HR executive at XY company for past 3 years. Here, instead of HR executive, what is your position? If it is maybe that is what we can say, that if you are an accountant, instead of HR executive, you can add your XP, that is your position like as accountant. If you are a sales manager rather than HR executive, you can add sales manager or sales executive, whatever position you have, and along with your total experience. And managing all aspects of, that is HR roles, we have to describe managing all aspects of HR functions from recruitment to training, and made significant changes. Also established strong relationship between the company and outside. I am a person who thrives in a that is fast-paced environment, and also I describe here my strengths. My strengths are I'm self-motivated, hardworking, team player, creative, open-minded, versatile. And what are the hobbies you have? I love listening music, traveling, self-driving, learning, innovative, and new technologies. Right now, what is the intention? That is the interviewer should know what is the intention behind this job. Right now, I'm looking forward opportunity to apply my HR skills to the innovative company like yours. And that's all about me. That is the concluding part. Rather than thank you, you can again once again repeat that. Thank you once again. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. That is the end of the section. You can conclude and all. So I hope that I deem that that is those who are looking for a job, or else those who are freshers, that they are looking for a new job and all. I think this video will be very helpful and all. If you like my channel, for getting more updations for information regarding the informative as well as the new information, what that kind of videos and all, you have to go through and visit my channel. Those who aren't subscribed, just visit and subscribe and click the bell button and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye.